that we have our script written, next is to generate our voiceover. I will be using an AI tool called DubDub. It is an AI-powered content creation platform offering tools like AI-generated writing, human-like voiceovers, animated avatars, and professional video editing with auto subtitles. It simplifies and enhances content creation for marketers, educators, and creators. Use the link below to sign up to follow along. Next, click on AI Voiceover. Give the project a name and then paste your script in the box below. Before we make some modifications to the script, let's choose our voice first. Click on More Voiceovers, choose English and American accent, then female because that would be our narrator for our video. For quality, I will be using Ultra and then use this voice Glinda. She sounds perfect and realistic for the video we are creating. Then click Confirm. Normally for other AI voiceover tools, you might have to create the voiceover separately for using them. But in DubDub, using the speech functions at the top, you can modify the voiceover in such a way that you can still get multiple effects with one audio file. To do that, I will be using the pause tool to add pauses where needed and other elements like pitch or speed. For this script, I added a bit of pause and the length I needed in the place I needed them, then went ahead to play it.
Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done at work? Let's explore some simple strategies to boost your productivity. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Focus on the most important and urgent ones first. This can help you stay on track and avoid last-minute stress.
Once I was satisfied, click on the export button, chose the file format, and download it. To make use of DubDub, it has a 3-day free trial you can get started with and then upgrade afterwards. I have also secured a discount which you can use when upgrading. You can get the link and all the details in the description box.